stakeholder identification. Help me as an AI project manager assistant in identifying all relevant stakeholders for a project name, type, detailed objective, and their respective roles. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go here and I will copy this prompt and go back to my chat GPT screen and I will put it here and I will say that for we'll use the last prompt as an example for the construction of 10 luxury houses in, let's say, Dubai, right? Um, so we'll put like a specific and let's see what information it gave us. And using the wrong spelling of Dubai. So I'll hit enter and let's see what it produced. So it's generating the response as we can see. So, okay. Now I will go back up and see what the response is. So this was our prompt. Help me as a project manager assistant in identifying all relevant stakeholders for the construction of 10 luxury houses in Dubai and their respective roles and interests. So the first one it's saying identify and engage relevant stakeholders is crucial aspect of any construction. For the construction of 10 luxury houses in Dubai, the following are the some key stakeholders along with the respective roles and interests. So the first one is your client or owner. So the role is to initiate and funds the construction of the project, right? And they are interested in successful timely completion of high quality luxury houses that meet their specification. Then comes the architecture and design. Develop architectural plan and design for the luxury houses, and their interest is ensure the constructed houses reflect the envisioned design and the meet aesthetic and functional requirement. Then you would need a project manager. The role is to oversee the entire construction project, ensuring it stays on schedule and within budget. And the interest is successful project delivery, meet the quality standards, and adherence to the timeline. Then we have general contractor, and their role is responsible for overall construction management, subcontractor coordination, and on-site construction activities. Their interest is in completing the construction within budget, on time, and meeting quality. Then we have subcontractors that would include plumbers, electricians, etc. They will perform the specific construction task as a subcontracted by the general contractor, and they are interested in completing their designated task in efficient manner. Then we have suppliers. Then we have government authorities and regulatory bodies. So their role is to approve plan, issue permit, ensure compliance with the local building codes and regulation. And here, ChatGPT is giving you a generic answer. It's not giving you an answer that would say that you need to go to building authority, whatever it's called in that jurisdiction. It's just giving you a general response. Financial institute. So if you are getting loan, provide funding for construction of the loans for the project, in ensuring the project progress according to the agreed upon terms and the investment is secure. Environmental consultants, again, making sure if there's an environmental sustainability impact, neighborhoods and communities. So your local residents and their communities, the insurance provider, that would be your stakeholder, interior designers and decorators, land surveyors, and then utility companies. So these are the stakeholders that are required for the construction of 10 luxury houses in Dubai. Now, I'm going to go back and put this prompt again for our insurance agency website. So I'll simply remove this one, say for the insurance uh, agency website for the agents, and clients. Okay. Uh, fine. And I'm going to hit enter, and you will see that it will give us a generic stakeholders, but again, a little bit of a different because of the nature of the project. So in construction, it was talking about plumbers, interior designer, architects, and things like that. And let's see what it says for the insurance agency website. Certainly, identifying and engaging relevant stakeholders is crucial for the success of a project, especially in the development of insurance agency website for agents and clients. Below are the key stakeholders along with their respective roles and interests. Insurance agency leadership role provide overall direction and strategic vision for the agency. Their interest is to have a website that enhance agency's digital presence, improve the client interaction, and support efficient agent operation. Then it's talking about the project sponsor, a project manager, IT department. Remember, in the construction project, it was not talking about IT department. It was talking about architect, designer, interior decorator, plumber, electricians. Here, because our project is totally different, it's talk about IT department. Then it talks about marketing team, why marketing team needs to be involved. Then it talks about agents. Then it talks about client. And then it talks about web developers and IT consultant because it's a website project, we need web developers. In the construction of 10 luxury houses, it does not talk about web developers. So it takes the context. Remember, we talked about the context of the prompt and give you the response based on that. Then it talks about compliance and legal team, ensure that the website adheres to industry regulations and legal standards. Their interest is website that complies with all relevant regulations and minimize legal risk. As you know, the insurance industry is highly regulated and they process lots of confidential information and data. That's why compliance and legal is important. Customer support team, right? You if it's insurance agency, they may have a customer support team to deal with the queries, enhance customer experience, claim. Then, as I said, that because insurance company deal with sensitive data, we need a data security and privacy expert. You need to see that in this prompt, it's talking about different roles compared to the construction of 10 luxury houses. And those roles include data security and privacy expert. And the role is to ensure the security and privacy of the client and agency data. And their interest in implementing robust security measure to protect sensitive information and maintain client trust. Then it talks about training department. You need training department for agents and staff on how to use the website and process the claims. Their interest is the website should be user friendly and reduces the learning curve for the staff. You may also need analytical team. Think of, as I said, that think of these AI models as your assistant who can suggest, but as a project manager, you will decide what is relevant and what is not relevant to your team. Analytical team, maybe you do not need it, maybe you already have it, so you can decide. And then insurance underwriters. Insurance underwriters help provide the policy details, so they are important part of the insurance agency, but are they required for the website development? Maybe, maybe not, right? So the last comment says that ensure effective communication collaboration among these stakeholders is essential for successful development and implementation of insurance agency website. Regular update, feedback loop, and clear understanding of roles and interests will contribute to more successful project outcomes. Say you like this response or you may not like the response. So I will just go and change saying, um, can you please give me only the list of stakeholder name without without roles and interest, right? Because I'm just thinking that I want a simplified version of it. I don't need the roles and interest. And then from there, I'm going to pick it up. So I just did hit enter, and you can see that it just gave me a list. Now I can simply copy this list into my document and make my own and then go from there.